G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a karaoke microphone. This is the Tosing 008 karaoke microphone. You have the microphone and this is like an inbuilt speaker. I picked this up for about 20 bucks on eBay. There were even cheaper microphones like 10, 12, $15 ones. But I thought I'd go that extra mile and get a 20 buck one. This one seemed to have positive reviews. And yeah, as you can see, the color is rose gold. I'm gonna show you how simple this is to operate. And I think it's one of the reasons that it is a really good buy at around that $20 mark. So you turn it on here.
Hello, Tosing.
It says hello, Tosing.
Bluetooth mode.
So Bluetooth mode, you get your phone out, you go to settings, and as you can see, testing 1, 2, 3. It's got that echoey karaoke sound. And the first step in using this is pairing it with your phone. So you go to Bluetooth. Let's show you this.
Bye bye, Tosing.
Oops, that's what happens when you turn it off. So we'll just turn it back on.
Hello, Tosing. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, well basically we'll go to Bluetooth. I don't know if you can see this or not. Bluetooth on. And then Tosing.
Paired.
Tosing will come with there, and it's already paired because I've paired it before, but you would tap on that. It says it's paired. And then the next step is you download a karaoke app. In this case, I think there's a couple of different apps that this will work with. But I've downloaded an app called Karaoke by Yonki. I'll put better photos up if that helps later. And then let's test it out. I've sung a few songs already, but I'm gonna try and find Take Me Out to the Ball Game because that is a copyright free song. I'm not gonna get copyright striked. Okay, so it'll be like 3, 2, 1, and then it'll have the lyrics pop up on the screen. That's pretty handy, the cool little app. Oh, I missed it. Let's start again. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I ever get back. Anyway, you get the idea. So, okay, right, turn it off. So yeah, that is the Tosing 008 wireless Bluetooth karaoke microphone. Can highly recommend it. 20 bucks, can't go wrong.
Bye bye, Tosing.
Anyway, that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.